It's really, really good, Nation. Okay, so I didn't have a chance to do my voiceover like I normally do with the picture in it, but it's okay. So we're gonna get straight into this right now. I'm using a super base to go ahead and coat the nails before I start painting over them. It just allows me to get a smooth application when I'm doing lines or any type of artwork. The link for these gel liners will be down in the description box below. And guess what, y'all? They glow in the dark. Okay, so here I'm applying that base coat on the surface of the nail. That way I can have a smooth application. I ain't gotta worry about no bumps, lumps, dips, ridges, none of that stuff. I've already applied that acrylic to her nails. I decided to skip that part and just go into the design. So yeah, keep watching. And I will be having a list of all the links for the products that I'm using down below.
Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you're throwing another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who love me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it.
Boy, sick, I'm sick of worrying. It's just a worry, and I'd rather bury them. I'm talking fake friends and skeletons. Early morning shoulder rubs, the lawyer signed and celebrate. I'm never settling, and the shit get darker than my melanin. At the crib all by myself, the shit be giving in. Scrolling through my call like my emojis, I'm saving them. Tomorrow, that's the be true my always, but I favorite them. That butterfly emoji on me, down and all my favorites done. Demon face when push away, you got the K on them. Operator said I'm watching niggas break down. They said a couple bitches too like I'm from Cape Town. Know they position, you know I so with the face down. I'm never content to mill up, man, I get it frequent. I'm making this place to me, it just says I'm dropping the top, not tip of the wind. I'm dropping the top, this bitch trying to spin. She dropping the top, she back again.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear they bitches nosy. Till they put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Who no dope traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name turn to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside.
Alright, so I'm going in with my first color, which is a pastel purple. Again, I will have this listed down below in the description box if you want to pick these up. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but I do like these gel liners. They do actually cure in the lamp. I did have a little issue with some other gel liners, so I do not use them anymore. Unfortunately, I had so much hope for the Kira Sky gel liners, but some of them do not cure in the lamp, and all kinds of other problems, and I really don't have time for that, especially when I'm working and trying to, you know, get a customer out in ample amount of time, because I go by appointments only, so I need to be getting people in and out. That way I have time to sanitize my station. But anyway, yeah, so I'm going in with this light purple, pastel purple liner, and I'm just lining up the edges of the nails. Alright, so here we're about to get into the next color, which is a hot pink. Keep in mind, people, that these do glow in the dark, so if you are doing any line work, or if you're doing any characters or whatever type of nail art you're doing with liners, these are actually really, really good and really, really opaque. You only need one coat of these to even, you know, be successful with your nails. That way you don't have to go over it again, because I know some people have problems with lines, like straight lines and character work. So these are actually really good. So again, I'm gonna leave them down in the description box below.
guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, dos, traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name turn to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, Seaside. I've been losing.
Okay, so now we are going in with a sky blue by the same company. I love this color. If y'all know me, I love my pinks, purples, and blues. Anytime somebody asks for a pink, purple, or blue set or anything with it in there, I am excited. So yeah, this is a light blue. And all of these gel liners come in the same set except for the white.
I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it.
Boy, sick, I'm sick of worrying. It's just a worrying. I'd rather bury them. I'm talking fake friends and skeletons. Early morning shoulder rubs, the lawyer signed and celebrate. I'm never settling, and the shit get darker than my melanin. At the crib all by myself, the shit be giving in. Scrolling through my call like my emojis, I'm saving them tomorrow. That's the beat, true my hoes, but I figured.
Alright, next thing next, we're going in with a pastel green. I do like this color. As I said, they are very opaque, very pigmented. So you can get a flawless application with one coat of these. You don't need a lot because if you start using too much, then you're gonna start to misshape your nails. So yeah, don't do that.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. They didn't want the T on me, I swear they bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, dos, traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name turn to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, Seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace.
Okay, so I just got this white gel liner from Creations. I have another one that I used that came from my local nail supply. But I just wanted to try out Creation because Creations has some really good gel liners, you guys. Like if you're looking for some quality gel liners, I would definitely suggest this last company that I was using for the glow in the dark colors and Creations because their gel liners are awesome. I do have a variety of other gel liners, but these actually tend to be my favorite, so I just use them. But I have another kit that has like maybe 24 colors in it, and when I first started doing, you know, line work and all that other kind of stuff, I was having a hard time with them, mainly because I didn't know what I was doing. So if you are having problems with any product, make sure that you're using it correctly, because I don't think that I probably had too much on the brush or whatever the case is. So you want to make sure you wipe it off as much as possible without wiping off all of the color, if that makes sense. Alright, so I've already applied the matte coat to the top and the bottom of the nails. The matte coat that I use is from Not Polish or the Nail Plug, but I use Not Polish for this particular one, as well as their clear acrylic and their pink acrylic for the nail bed, and that color is In the Mood. I'll have those listed down below. So being that the nails are already coated with the matte coat, what I'm doing now is I'm using a glue to place the stones on, And this bling box is from Profiles Backstage. Unfortunately, ladies, you do need a license to order from Profile Backstage, but I will have a alternate bling box listed down below from the Nail Plus. I love these stones. I love these stones. Like when people can't avoid Preciosa or Swarovski, because I still have quite a bit of Swarovski stones left. I usually typically go to this box because it has the bigger stones and they have that purple blue, you know, kind of glow to it. Like they're glass, but they're really, really shiny. And then on the ring finger, I have these charms from AliExpress. If I can find the vendor, I will definitely link that down below as well. Everything that I can think of for this video will be linked down below.
Feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it.
Boy, I'm sick of worrying, it's just a worrying. I'd rather bury them, I'm talking fake friends and skeletons. Early morning shoulder rubs, the lawyer signed and celebrate. I'm never settling, and the shit get darker than my melanin. At the crib all by myself, the shit be giving in. Scrolling through my call like my emojis, I'm saving them. Tomorrow, that's the beat, through my hoes, but I favorite them. That butterfly emoji on me, nothing, all my famous done. Demon face when push away, you got the K on them. I broke bread instead of watching niggas break down. They said a couple bitches do like I'm from Cape Town. Know they position, you know I so with the face down. I'm never content to mill up, man, I get it frequent. I make it expensive, me it just says I'm dropping the top, not tip of the win. I'm dropping the top, cause I'm trying to spend. She dropping the top, she back again.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear they just nosy. Till they put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be sinning for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits and the race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation is a flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name, turn to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who love me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it.
Boy, I'm sick of worrying, it's just a worrying. I'd rather bury them, I'm talking fake friends and skeletons. Early morning shoulder rubs, the lawyer signed and celebrate. I'm never settling, and the shit get darker than my melanin. At the crib all by myself, the shit be giving in. Scrolling through my call like my emojis, I'm saving them. Tomorrow, that's the beat, through my hoes, but I favorite them. That butterfly emoji on me, nothing, all my famous done. Demon face when push away, you got the K on them. I broke bread instead of watching niggas break down. They said a couple bitches do like I'm from Cape Town. Know they position, you know I so with the face down. I'm never content to mill up, man, I get it frequent. I make it expensive, me it just says I'm dropping the top, not tip of the win. I'm dropping the top, cause I'm trying to spend. She dropping the top, she back again.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear they just nosy. Till they put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be sinning for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits and the race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation is a flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name, turn to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you're throwing another pretty party.
And here's the final look. It is so refreshing. Just look at these babies. These are so beautiful. So beautiful. Alright guys, until my next video. I'm out.